You are welcome to DM Camp. Today we are going to be looking at a very important topic in mathematics known as circle geometry. I'm going to be introducing you to this topic. Today we are going to be looking at the properties of a circle, such as the radius, the diameter, the segments, the tangents, and the secants. Now, let's start from the circle. What is a circle? A circle is simply a round plane figure whose boundary is known as the circumference. A round plane figure whose boundary is known as the circumference and whose center, that is, whose fixed point is known as the center of the circle. Its fixed point is here, O, and it is known as the center of the circle. You can see here that R is the radius of the circle. What is the radius of the circle? The radius of the circle is simply a line that runs from the center of the circle to the circumference. A line that runs from the center of the circle to the circumference. Here you have OC, which is R, is the radius of the circle. Now, O is the center of the circle. You can see O here is the center of the circle. Now, AB is the diameter of the circle. That is, OA plus OB will give you the diameter of the circle. That is, OA, which is radius, plus another OB, which is radius, will give you a diameter. Simply, two radii will give you a diameter. Now, let's go to this part. Here we have major segments and we have minor segments. PRQ, the line with blue color that runs from this P down to Q, is the major segment here. This part is the major segment. This part is the major segment. This part is the major segment. Why this P and Q? The shaded portion is the minor segment. The shaded portion, P and Q, is the minor segment. Now, PQ is a chord. PQ, this line PQ. PQ is a chord. P and Q is an arc. So the angle sustained by this arc PQ is angle theta. You have here that PQ is a chord. Angle theta is an angle sustained by the arc PQ. Now let's move on. This is a circle. Now this straight line that meets the circle at the circumference is what we call a tangent to the circle. So a tangent to the circle is simply a straight line that meets the circle at the circumference. Any straight line that meets the circle at the circumference. You can have it here. If you have it here like this, it's a tangent. If you have it here, it's a tangent. So far that it touches the circle at the circumference, it is known as what? A tangent. And you can see here that ML is a tangent to this circle. ML is a tangent to this circle. This line ON bisects this ML into two. A perpendicular bisector of line ML is a radius. You can see from the center of the circle and to the circumference at angle 90 degrees. This angle is 90 degrees. there is a theorem to this. I'm going to show you in our subsequent videos how a radius is related to a tangent. So we are going to share that in our subsequent videos. Now, let's see. Another one is the secants. The line SU is the secant. A secant is simply a straight line that cuts the circle at 2 points. A straight line that cuts the circle at 2 points. And you can see here that SU is a straight line and it cuts the circle at points A and B. Points A and B. Similarly, ST is also a secant because it cuts the circle at points C and D. You can see point C and D here and here. So SU, a secant that cuts the circle at A and B. SU cuts the circle at A and B, and ST, a secant that cuts the circle at C and D. Now, there is no way you can calculate points on the circle. There is no way you can calculate angles on the circle without knowing the properties of the circle. And these are major things that you need to know before you can approach any question under circle geometry. You need to know the meaning of radius, the meaning of diameter, the meaning of minor and major segments, the meaning of chords, the meaning of arc, the meaning of tangents, and the meaning of secants. Without these, there is no way you can solve questions under circle geometry. I believe you like this video. Please share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.